Hey everybody, I'm Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to install a full motion TV wall mount just like this here, and it's going to be as simple as. The first step in this project is picking a location that you're going to mount the mount for the TV. There's a couple things to keep in mind here, and one of them is stud location. You've got to pick a spot along the wall that's aesthetically pleasing, but you also have to pick a spot on the wall where you have a stud that you can mount this frame to. Another thing to keep in mind is outlet location. Your outlet's crucial here because you need an outlet at a height where you can plug your TV into, or you want to be able to move the outlet to a hidden location behind the TV, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to show you that in my next video, so make sure you watch out for that one. But in the meantime, I found an area where I want my TV, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look with a stud finder to see if I can find a location of the closest stud. So there, that tone tells me that I've got a stud, at least one edge of that stud right in that location, which is almost center where I want to be. And there's the other line. So I found the 1.5 inch location where the stud sits on its end, and I know that is where I can attach the mount base to. Again, using the stud finder, I like to use the one that has the tone location on it. Start off to the right hand side and sweep across. I find an edge there, and the edge stops. Then I come back from left to right and find the edge again. And what I do is I mark these locations with a pencil so that I know where the studs are at. That's the location of my stud. So we've picked our spot for our TV and we've located a stud. I also know that because of the size of the TV in this location that I can pull wire from the existing outlet box and put a hidden outlet box here behind the TV. Again, that'll be in the next video, so make sure you watch out for that one. The next thing we do, we want to pick the height of our bracket. Well, we know where our stud's at. So this bracket calls to remove a top plastic clip, a bottom plastic clip, and an arm plastic clip. Also, it tells to remove the mounting plate off the front of the actual unit here. So we're going to close that back down, twist our unit to where we want it to be sitting at, and we just want to look at the wall to give ourselves an idea. And I think that looks perfect right there. In our installation kit, we're given a small little bullet level here. We want to put that on here and make sure we're level. To make this installation smoother, make sure you pre-drill the hole with a drill bit of some sort so that your screw can get started in that wood stud. I've drilled the hole, so now we want to check for level using the provided little bullet level they gave us here. We'll set it on the arm of the mount and adjust from there. That's about perfect. We'll go ahead and add the other 2 screws and we'll be done putting it on the wall. This wall mount's not going anywhere for the little TV that we're going to be putting on it. With the TV laying face forward against the wall, being very careful, we're going to pick out the correct hardware bolt, the correct spacer, and the correct washers that we're going to use for this installation according to our manual. And just make sure you test fit all that stuff in the back of the TV. Now what we're going to do, because our hardware only requires us to use the back plate. We don't have to use any of the arms because it's a 43-inch TV. It is approximately 200 by 200 millimeters, which tells me that we can only have to use this, and that's per the manufacturer's instructions. What we're going to do is we're going to take one washer, one nut, and one spacer, attach it like so through the plate, and then begin fastening to the back of our TV. So let's go ahead and get that done now. Now we have to do is hang the TV on the actual mounting bracket. So I'm just going to extend that out here, give me some working room. The catch is there, and we've got 2 mounting hardware bolts that go in the back. Here are the 2 bolts that lock the actual TV bracket mount to the actual arm mount. Make sure that you have your TV level across the top. You can use the bubble level they give you in the kit, or you can use a speed level or a 3-foot level, whichever works best for you. Then we just install the nuts with our Allen wrench that's provided in the kit, and we're just about done. And there you go. That's a full motion wall mount TV mount. Perfect installation. Now what we have to do is move the outlet from the bottom to a location behind the TV so that it'll all be hidden for the power cord. You'll see that in the next video. Before you leave, make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you get updated on all my future content. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. I sure would appreciate it.